Yes,
Huh, how can we get them in? I don't think we can.
I'm filming.
Oh, you are? Hi, I'm Sally Malanga, and I want to share with you how we created our new pollinator garden. As you just saw, this was all monoculture lawn that we struggled to keep free of weeds. While there's more to do, it's been transformed into a pleasing, life-filled habitat. Our native bees and butterflies don't recognize plants from Japan or China, such as butterfly bush, as a host plant. That is why we chose native plants like milkweed, so they would have plenty to eat and leaves to lay eggs on. We held to a few simple rules: that there be a succession of blooms from spring to fall, and that we leave it to overwinter as more habitat. We wise up to the fact that 95% of insects in the garden are beneficial, so we don't use any poisons whatsoever. And that is why this garden has thrived, even though it is only 1 year old. We created this pollinator garden because we had learned that there isn't enough habitat in the wild or in suburban areas for bees and butterflies. And we were very worried at the beginning of the season that they wouldn't even appear here in our small pollinator garden. So I'm hoping that people who see this video will also consider creating a small patch of these native plants wherever you are, with plants that are native to your area that the bees and the butterflies recognize and call their own. So please send us your photos of your pollinator garden so we can all share your ideas and the beauty of what you've created.